G'day caravanners. Just thought I'd have a bit of a chat about preventative maintenance on your caravan in your backyard. So I thought I'll come out of the caravan, bring the camera operator, we'll come and sit in the caravan and have a bit of a chat about it. Somebody mentioned cheap wine, so my camera operator took off, so she's gone. Just leaving my phone, me and a stick. So I thought we'll have a crack at it and we'll go on anyway. So preventative maintenance on your caravan in the backyard. Usually your caravan is parked up, sitting here sometimes 2-3 months between trips. Now, I like to get in the caravan at least once a month, get in there and light things up, use things. So what I normally do is on a Saturday afternoon or a Sunday, you've got all your jobs done, wife is happy, come and sit in the van, bring yourself a beer, coffee. If you're a Land Cruiser owner, probably bring your Chardonnay. Sit in the van. What you need to do is look around. Anything you can turn on, light up, do it. Light your stove, light your fridge, light your hot water system, plug your power cord in, try your electrical gear. This, you can sit in there, do it in your leisure, but what it will do, it will prove to you if anything has failed, not working, or if everything is working. You know, when you want to hook on and go to your favourite spot, you can. So what I'll do in the next couple of clips, I'll actually come in and we'll chat about specific items into a bit more detail. But for now, just keep in mind, if you can just do those little things, just sit in your van, have a play, that will make life so much easier for you when you get out on the road. All right, people, I shall catch up with you next time.